Hello, welcome. My name is Frank, and today I want to show you two ways to use the noise suppressor pedal NS2. All right, here are my settings on the top. Okay. Let's first start by connecting your guitar. I'm going to connect the guitar to the input of the pedal, and now let's connect the output. This one goes to your amp. Okay, for this example, we're using the Marshall. We're going to connect the pedal, and you gotta turn on your amp, and this is what it sounds like. Okay, that's the guitar going into the pedal, and this is with the pedal on. One more time, pedal off, pedal on. Now let me show you the second method. Okay, here's method number 2, and much quieter and more effective. We're gonna connect the pedal. We're gonna connect the pedal to the send return effects loop on your amp. So now you're gonna have to have that on your amp. If you don't, then you won't be able to use it. So how do we do that? So you see they got the return and send. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna connect our guitar as usual into the input, but this time we're gonna send the signal. Now we're going to take this and connect it to the amp. Okay, so the send signal goes into the front of the input of the amp. So now let's connect the output of the pedal into the effects loops. So output, we're going to send to the return. Okay, output to the return. So we're going to connect that. And now we're going to connect the send the return. So this is what it looks like. Now let's listen to the results of that. Okay, let's listen to the results. This is without the pedal on, going through the effects loops. You can hear the noise already. And that's with the pedal on, much quieter. Let's listen to it one more time. There you go. In my opinion, method number 2 with the effects loops works a lot better. It reduces the noise much more. Now, thanks for watching. Give it a like and consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.